two pair looks identical. This one has been worn out. I wear it a lot, literally every single day when I'm working, and I'm at work like 6-7 days a week. I need to walk, stand, sometimes run. I'm on my feet a lot, so that means the shoe is really comfy. The cushion is like it support the like the back of the feet as well, so it doesn't hurt the feet when you be on it for like hours. And definitely a good buy, but that's why I get the second one, right? But yeah, if anyone looking for a pair of shoes for, it's like dress shoe for work, I really recommend this one.